Hey there! So today I'm going to show you how to play Hill Climb Racing 2 hack. So this is for iPhone and Android. So as you can see, I am broke, but in the mod menu I can turn on unlimited gems. So let me just turn this on, just so you guys can see. They should start increasing now. So here is what we're working with currently. So let's see if it increases. Bring me more, where's my resources on Hill Climb Racing 2? Bang, guys, look at that! So I'm going to show you guys how to download this to your device. It works on iOS and Android, so you can do this on any phone, guys. Any phone you own, bro. As long as it's not like an iPhone 4, then you might be screwed. But yeah, just open up your browser, and we're going to go to the website tweakmod.com. So once you're on this site, guys, just type Hill Climb Racing 2, press install, and before it downloads, it's going to be a verification. So you just have to download 2 apps and follow instructions. So it's 100% free, guys, from official app store. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load. And this verification step is really simple, so you guys cannot miss it. So let's see what happens. It's loading right now. So yeah, let's just see what we got going on. So yeah, super cool, guys. So we're just gonna let it load. So yeah, it's loading up, and then it's gonna say missing files. So we just need to download 2 of these apps. So like Family Island, we got TikTok. You gotta download and run it for 30 seconds. So that's pretty easy. So I could do that one. Or I could do Family Island, where you have to reach level 11. Then there's Underdog Fantasy, which is download and run for 30 seconds. So just do like 2 of these apps, and you should have the Hill Climb Racing 2 hack on your phone.